So I got a bunch of these Sonoff Zigbee heater thermostats, which replace the old ones. And like the reason why they're cool is because when you set the temperature to like 25 degrees, they completely open, or when they reach the temperature, they completely close. Whereas these old ones simply just lift the nozzle up depending on the level. So if I go to freeze or green, it means they completely close. And when I go to like 5, they completely open, and you know, 2 would be somewhere middle position of the pin. But I'm gonna have to be returning them because they don't, other than the controlling the valve, they don't really tell the heater when to go on. So instead I got the Drayton Wiser set with the gate, which basically control not only the heating but also the boiler, and this will allow me to tell the heater to switch on. And also I added an extra gate which will allow for the underfloor heating control. So I'm going with the Wiser Multi-Zone Kit 2, which consists of this few devices. I added a few extra heater controllers and an extra gate. So unfortunately, Sonoff, you have to be sent back. It was a good experience. It's quite a nice quality actually. It's quite sturdy, heavy. The display is very nice and it shows the temperature. It isn't accurate. I mean, when the thermostat is quite close to the heater, obviously you won't get the exact reading, but you know, they're very quiet and the batteries apparently last very long. So I was actually quite happy with it, but for the reasons of not being able to control the heater and boiler, I'm sending it back.